First, I'm gonna cut this thing here. I don't want it too much extra. Got it. I'm going to cut in here so the spices can go in. The salt. I don't want to put too much salt kasi may lagyan ko siya ng ano. Salt, too much salt is not good. So, put some garlic powder. Niluluto ni Mama.
I want fish.
Yes. Barbecue. You eat this. Okay. Everything is ready. So, we're just gonna put it in here in our air fryer pan. Look at that, guys. See you later, fish. Stop. 400. Yeah. For 10 minutes. So, check natin siya after 10 minutes kasi makapal eh. China Lily. It's product limited. Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Pero yung ano pangalan ng China Lily? Yeah, let's check our fish in our fryer. I can smell it, so yummy. Look at this, guys. Isn't that yummy? Delicious. I'm gonna check it in the other side. So let's check. Kakamayin ko na siya. Para sa other side naman, crispier. Like, nakabalance sila. There we go. So another 5 minutes in the other side and it should be done. See? Isn't that yummy? There is no oil and it actually tastes like grilled fish. So let's get everything ready and let's start eating. It's time na, guys. Luto na ang ating lunch. At mayroon tayo leftover munggo and rice. I'm sure that rice is not enough. Kasi magkakamay ako eh. So, happy weekend! Dahil off, ay nakapagluto ng maayos. Kay Alex is ground meat. Happy weekend! Let's eat! Okay, ready? Skinners, ready?
Oh God, why not a scary fish? Oh,
What?
a scary fish there!
Scared fish? Why?
Because you made it scary. Look at it die.
Okay, start. It's cooked already. What makes you scared there? The eye?
The mouth.
Mouth?
Down here. Down here. Down here.
Okay, let's eat, guys. Papa Jesus, for the food. Thank you for all the blessings.
And thank you for the sleigh with the mountain.
Thank you for this sleigh. Daddy got his sleigh today. Or for tomorrow, I guess. Daddy's home tomorrow. So, yeah, thank you for everything. Now let's start.
And the sleigh and the mountain and the hill is beside to Sarah Scott's house.
Amo pala si Sister Scott sa vlog. Hey, go, next song.
I like something.
No, I don't know. Sarap.
That's what I like.
Stop pa. Ang gasip yan. Sarap ba?
And hey guys, guess what Mommy Flowers did with pulling flowers from Grandpa's house? It popped the flower here.
Flower bloom.
See guys, look at
Don't move it. Because it's not gonna go back the way it is now.
And the oranges will come like over.
Thumbs up for the air fryer. Gourmet air fryer from Costco is so
And don't forget strawberry piano or thumbs up or click the bell. Please subscribe to the show and watch our show.
Please watch our show.
Bye.
Bye guys. Love you.
Mama, that was so cool. We did it. I did it.
Alex? What are you doing? Huh?
And fishing.
Fishing.
And
Let's go fishing.